Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will show you how to replace a Nissan Rogue mass airflow sensor. First, let's prepare by gathering our tools. You will need a Phillips head screwdriver, a 10mm socket, and a 7mm socket with a ratchet. Safety is key, so put on your safety glasses and gloves. Make sure your Nissan Rogue is parked on a flat surface and that the engine has completely cooled down before you begin. This ensures a safe and smooth replacement process for your mass airflow sensor. Now, let's find the mass airflow sensor. It's typically located in the air intake tube, right next to the airbox. Before touching anything electrical, it's crucial to disconnect your vehicle's battery. Use a 10mm wrench or socket to loosen and remove the negative battery terminal. Then, gently pinch the tab on the mass airflow sensor's electrical connector and pull it straight off. This step ensures your safety and prevents any accidental short circuits during the replacement. With the electrical connector detached, it's time to remove the old sensor. You'll find 2 screws holding it in place. These usually require a Phillips head screwdriver or a 7mm socket. Once the screws are out, carefully pull the old sensor straight up and out of the air intake tube. Now, take your new mass airflow sensor, align it correctly, and gently slide it into its housing. Start threading the 2 screws by hand, then tighten them securely, but avoid over-tightening. You're almost done. The next step is to reconnect the electrical connector to your brand new mass airflow sensor. Make sure you hear a distinct click, indicating a secure connection. Then, reattach the negative battery terminal, tightening the 10mm nut firmly. Take a moment to double-check all your connections to ensure everything is snug. Finally, start your Nissan Rogue and listen for a smooth engine idle, confirming your successful mass airflow sensor replacement. Great job!
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.